Alright, well, not sure what happened there. Alright guys, we got kind of a boring video for you today. Oh look, a chunk of wood. Leave that in there. Alright, gonna cook us a ham, but we gotta get the grill started first. Uh-oh, my button's stuck. There we go. We'll put it about there. Alright, come off there. Pellets. We'll have to add some more, I guess. This is probably not enough. Put this down here. Alright. Good enough for now. Smoke setting. Okay. Of course, everything is a mess, but my wife wanted me to smoke her ham. And look at this. Look how tiny this thing is. It's tiny. I was going to do like a Weber smoked ham, and I guess I'm just going to throw it on the pellet grill because I ran out of charcoal. I didn't realize that too. So we're going to pellet grill a tiny smoked ham today. So let's get it prepared while the grill's going, and then we'll get it on there. All right. A little honey mustard. A little tad bit of honey mustard on there. Glove is falling off. A little bit of butterscotch seasoning. Honey hog. Get kind of clumpy though. Alright, looks like we got stuff happening here. Make sure these are all open. Stuff's going on. I left that chunk in there, that was pecan. Added a cherry chunk in. See what happens. Topped off the pellets. Pellets are good. It's like 91 degrees it says. We're gonna let her go a little bit, let her get up to temp, and we'll throw that ham on. Y'all, it's 41 degrees outside. It's about the warmest it's gonna be today. Alright, well, being as it's so cold outside, it's probably gonna take a little bit for this to warm up. We're about 120 now, so I think it's going alright. But take this time real quick to tell you, make sure you hit the link in the description and run underneath, follow me or whatever. Hit that link, that'll take you to all my links. All my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything. Also take you to the link to Spotify, to find the podcast. We're doing a podcast now, so you can find that on there. Also hit my merch page. Go buy you a shirt, help a brother out. You know, they're not that expensive. You know, you can help me out, whatever. Other than that, guys, this is probably gonna be a really short video, so whatever. All right. Well, I had a second thought. See how this is all kind of falling apart on this one side, like this. I had an idea. I think I'm gonna take a couple pieces of butcher twine here. I'm just gonna tie this together, and hopefully it'll keep this from falling apart. Over here. Just like that. Doesn't have to be real tight, but just enough to, when I put it on there, it doesn't just fall apart. So I think that'll work. Alright, we're ready. Grill's ready. Let's go ahead and get this on there without losing it. Throw it right there in the center. Boom. Alright, I forgot to hit record, but we're pretty well almost done. I got a little black here, but that's okay. I'm not too worried about that. I'm really worried about the rest of it. I kind of figured this would happen because of the way it is and how small it is, but we're going to go ahead. I got some sauce on it. We're going to let it sit for just a minute, and then we're going to pull it off. Alright, get the sucker pulled off of here. It's hot. Alright. Look at that, guys. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Just for that tiny little ham. Like I said, I knew this stuff back here would get too dark. Here, I'll turn it and show you. This would all blacken up, which that's fine. I mean, it'll be alright. It was just because it was such a small piece, and you know, the heat went ahead and got them flaps, you know what I mean? Just go ahead and cut this right down in half here. Woo-wee! Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. Shoo! Isn't that beautiful? Alright, I'm gonna finish cutting it up, put it in the boxes, and we'll take a little bite of something. Alright, y'all, here we go. Gonna try it out. Man, that's good. That's delicious. Sauce makes it right there. Alright, y'all, that's it. I'm done. It's over with. Don't forget to hit the link in the description. Follow me on all my social medias. Pick up a shirt. Pick up I got this hooded, hoodie, zipped up hoodie thing, whatever. You can get one of those. I mean, help a brother out. We'll see you guys next time. Sorry for the short video, but, Christmas is right around the corner. Things are getting busy, and, whatever. Follow me on the podcast. Listen to the podcast. Spotify, Apple, iTunes, all that stuff. Google Podcasts, whatever. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.